Turn off the ignition, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should be able to see the cabin filter on the upper left of the engine compartment. With a flathead screwdriver, make a quarter turn anti-clockwise, then, with the tip of a screwdriver, lift the clip. Remove the hood seal. With the tip of the screwdriver, put pressure on the holding spurs for the plastic cover and simultaneously, with the other hand, lift it off. Using a small socket wrench and a 5.5mm socket, unscrew the two holding screws on the cabin filter cover. Lift the cover off with a flathead screwdriver, then remove it. Extract the old filter. The arrows on both the new filter and filter box indicate which way round you should assemble. Try not to get mixed up. Put the filter in. Folding it can make the process easier. Put the cover back on, being careful about the notch on the back. The cover must go on without forcing. Put the screws back. Start by hand and finish the process with a socket wrench. Put the protective casing back on. Put the plastic rivets back in. Start with the outside part and finish with the central nail. Finish with a quarter turn clockwise using a screwdriver. Put the seal back. Operation completed.